Welcome to Help Screen. If you want to delete Snapchat account, first thing is just simply select your profile icon, the top left corner of the screen. Now, here you should be able to see the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. Now, here on the settings, just simply scroll down a little bit. And now from here, you should be able to see delete account. So tap on delete account, and now it will open up a browser on your phone. So guys, this will work on Apple devices as well. So it will be just the same process. So here, just simply log in into your account by providing your email. Tap on next. And of course, provide your password. Now, guys, from here, as you can see, you will be redirected to the Snapchat delete page. So you will have 30 days before it gets totally deleted. But if you log in within 30 days, should be able to recover your account. And down below, guys, you should be able to just simply provide your details, your username and password, and select continue to proceed with this process. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.